and second one. Coming back to my family, I think you understand my emotional unhappy I am. I remember I resigned from the Congress Party on the 16th November 2017. Today is 16th September 2021. It is 3 years and 7 months. Maka jadi reform tentang sepang tu wanphai kurya. Tenda yang super dia itu kun serong dia. A prodigal son deh, parable of prodigal sons. Tapos rin po pada nagpupaw ng aksel. Adi tak tu ummen tu saya rasa reject. And you remember the parable of prodigal son when he decided to go back to his family. His father, far away, he welcomed him with clothes, finger rings, but his elder son is not happy. Anyway, I think all Congress party workers, they are happy. Pero sebenarnya kalau nampak join Congress, terbaik pelak media lah, ini provisionally candidate pentarung. That is the homecoming welcome of the newly elected president. Anyway, ngapain mana kini yang buat social media, bagi komen. Cuma juga Pak Abdul Do, Dr. Pandana, Pak Adrian, Pak Mos, Syiem. Ronaldo's back to Manchester United. Kalau sama journalist, aja sisang tenang bah penjat bol sudah nang imam bah. Tenrai Congress Party is the Manchester United, where so many good players are there. I cannot fight alone in the field without a collective responsibility in the teams. Boleh I'm excited to join the Congress Party, but there are so many good players. Pagdating bahaga by election, bahaga election 21, we are sure to win and get the victory for the people, by the people. That why are joining Congress Party? You remember in Manipur they get 28, but they could not form the government. I told them we'll get 35. We'll get 35 because we have no problem if you work collectively, responsibility. Because united we stand, divided we fall. Point. Nasuto ba ka Congress Party ke jongi nang ni sakmat so many challenges bagi akan face. But still, you can state that the present bad situations, financial situation is very bad, law and order is very bad. We must look under the leadership of the newly appointed president. Next Campbell, ilakan po yan. But kung mga laong, anong kaya sibon kayo, nasukumen sibon, bala preso bahaya yung sanut, pada wanphai biang kajoni, pada orang lebih bagi sukumen, bagi keluarga Priangi, thank you so much for your for this homecoming welcome programs. Yang sanut, bag nga penpaw ka Jews na umu, yakam kami ka Megla Press Congress Committee, haka bagi nga haka bagi la preso bahaya yang dikacamit, pada longajin kemen yang ini. Harmat kebun di kami di bawah tundap Indonesia Tengah, next kamba inangayo ke banyak terang rengkat. Saya Syiem akan bawa baju semua itu baru. Perlu kita itu kan kejanmet, bagi skam, bagi kita itu ingin banyak kena ayam Syiem, bagi nak banyak syakran lagi baru.
To wish him happy birthday today. Happy birthday, Pak Presiden.